Hello, Ronnie from Great Annexe Co, and today we've just completed another Storm Shades wall kit onto this Design RV CRX. Using the outdoor space under the awning to create this extra living space to give them extra privacy and protection. The Storm Shades, as you know, if you've been following our channel, incorporates a high quality mesh sunscreen that basically surrounds the entire annex, but this one currently has all the outdoor covers other than this half here, which is actually zipped down to protect them in rain. And what this is, to show you a bit closely, is essentially we have a lightweight polyester cover that's typically rolls up out the way and sits underneath so that you have shade cloth always. So people who like to use screens more so than having annex walls, this is the annex for you, because you essentially enjoy your screen all the time, but when the weather turns bad, you can zip your covers down and keep yourself dry. So it's a really nice in-between solution when it comes to having shade, but also being dry in the weather. If you're interested in knowing if this can be done with your van, make sure you reach out to us at greatannexes.com.au. And if you want to see more transformations of outdoor living spaces, make sure you subscribe to our channel and keep up to date with all the recent jobs that we post. Safe travelling, speak to you soon.